Doctor also stopped. Yeah, that's most. But no, doctor also was stopped there and not a ground station. All 4 stations have the communication has switched off, that's why we can pick up. Systems if they are performing fine and the communication has gone off also, we will not be able to check. No, attitude change was one thing that check. No, one thing we can think is that if we can think RF only has switched off, that's something that would have happened to the body like that. No, rate changed. Rate changed. No, there is no thing. I'm only telling that there is no it is just the RF went off and the model was not being subsequently. That we should know what is not switched off. What really happened. Whatever thing system
All are requested to be in your seat, please.